Hello, no, the part 4, the final part, both of us by the way. Here is the NAS, and today the plan is to move it to my desk. This back corner, I have cleaned up the stuff. I'm gonna hook it up and turn it on and use it. Probably in permanent, semi-permanent place. I have a Ethernet port. It was behind the TV before. I unplugged it USB. That's really heavy. Listen, the one end was in the switch. The other one was plugged in nothing. I just pulled it out. I had an IC and an extra VGA cable for it. I'm using VGA because that minor. There's an HDMI port available, but you know what? I have 2 extra HDMI cables I'd rather save for more important things, so we'll use VGA out. And I'll come back when it's all hooked up. Alright, it's all hooked up. I'm gonna see some cable right there. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Come on. I probably see something back there. I was just me hooking up, but honestly you can see jack shit. So I'm waiting for one. I have the Ethernet cable, power cable, VGA to this monitor, the flashlight, and the USB extender. I usually put my mouse controller receiver in. My recorder is much smarter. I think I need to extend the power button. I had an idea for it, but not really up today. Turn the water on. And turn the computer on. That battery does not sound good. It's good. I will turn it. I don't think that vibrating like that. Well, that's not a good thing. And open that later and see what's causing that. Man. Sure not. Shouldn't be doing that. Thanks for the password. What the fan in the back of the hard drive loose. Anyway. And it's got power. There it is. Alright. I don't know what that heard noises is. That's very concerning. I haven't shut it off. I'll put it over off, see if it vibrates noises. And if everything's okay, I'll go from there. Well, that's right, I'll be starting a file transfer from the Mac Mini over to the computer. Oh, alright then. Cool. We're just doing like 1 megabyte, 2 megabyte, 3 megabyte, 4 megabyte, and now it's actually going up to 1000 megabytes on it should be. Okay, never mind, I thought they were going. Oh, wait, not working. I guess it's gonna work, it's fine. Sweet. So she's up and running. It's a little bit of a, what's the word? Rough start. But we're getting there. Slowly. First time I kept going really slow, and now I was like, oh hey, this can do Gigabyte. Alright, let's use that instead. I have a smart computer. Most of the time. Most of the time. No offense, but still. Use some pretty dumb things sometimes. So, yeah. She's working. Here's Designer. I don't know what that vibrating noise was. I don't know why I got caught in a fan blade maybe. But I shut it off, it didn't hear it anymore. So I shut it down. Alright, open the case, turn it back on, and nothing. So unless you get a mega planning, but a little strange. But yeah, 45 minutes for 100 gigs, that's not bad at all. So, alright, I will be back when this is done. Let you guys know how it goes. In the meantime, I'm doing some unboxing footage of the parts I didn't show the first time because I got the notion I was going to show you guys and that there's no good place to just put it in. So here's here. Enjoy me unboxing the parts that we used in the first part of the video. Hey guys, new from the past here. Now we're going to unbox the already unboxed Ram. Little time section here. These those to hide my address because I'm lazy. And I hate doing editing. Actually, I hate editing in general, but no, come on. Okay. Move out of the way. Address was on top. Fucking years. Okay. My address picture out of the way. We have a rip. Wait, what? Oh. I thought this was the Ram. I thought it was odd shape. Okay. Surprise, it's the processor instead. That shouldn't have been here until Friday. So when's the Ram getting here? Because it doesn't say. And this says memory seeing. Okay, surprise, it's actually the processor. Intel Celeron G4920. I mean, you could probably fit a piece of desktop RAM in there. Yeah, I don't know what else really. This is the processor instead. So when is the RAM getting here? Oh boy. I'm gonna need that at some point. You know, RAM is kind of important to a computer. Okay, we got a CPU. We have 1 out of the 3 new parts. We're good. What are you gonna do? Alright. See you guys, what's the next unboxing probably? I'll be in 2 days. Okay. Here's the next day. The next day after I'm going to the TV. Oh yeah. You got it? This is the next day? Yeah, you got it next day. Now we have the motherboard unboxed. I've done cheating and using the bottom to the top to avoid the address label. Sometimes it's easier than you think to get around problems. Okay. Now we have motherboard. Oh, unbox this part, the actual board during the video. Oh, you have a photo to make. That's cool. Yeah, I don't care. This? There's a... Yeah. More than a box. It's pretty fuzzy. Sadly, I don't care. And then another all you got is the RAM and some time. 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 Time is running. I mean, I have money. There's a lot of money. I have neither right now. So, I'll see you guys with the ring unboxing at some point. And now for the ring unboxing, which I'm doing like minutes before the video. I got it yesterday, I know what it is, but I'm going to do the video tomorrow. Look at that, I had the lights and stuff up here already. I'm sure you just did it today. Heavy. Okay. I'm gonna quickly out the RAM. Okay. And then back to the video. Alright. We're going to finish the video up. Sorry there's no lights on this, but it doesn't light up personally. Here's the NAS. It's good to go. I got a file off of the snows on Twitter. This is my long-term storage. This is my short-term solid-state storage. I don't know that this boots faster despite that because of the flash drive. Also, the buzzing noise I found out was the rear fan. It probably needs to be replaced. So, I did it again yesterday, the day before. I put my finger in the fan, I stopped the fan, and the buzzing stopped too. I wish there's no wires in it, I doubt it, but I'll make sure, and most likely, I need to replace the fan, which isn't a big deal. It's a shitty fan anyway, it's old. It's more like the 4-pin, motherboard control fan. So much is something else, what was it? Oh yeah. Wait a minute, right? This stuff is awfully nice, and right now there's only how well it's all the backup images of our computers. So like my Mac Mini, ThinkPad, and the custom built computer. That book I haven't done yet. I need to do something like that. Mac Mini though has a 500 gigabyte image backup. 500 gigs. Well, that is just videos that I have on Mac Mini that I won't need if I ever restore it. That I won't need if I ever have to restore it. So what I need to do is take all the videos, all of my iMovie libraries, all that, copy to an external hard drive, delete it off Mac Mini. So all that's on there is what I actually need: the OS, my settings, iMovie, the actual program, not even the libraries. Except for the one with my intros and stuff, I'll keep that library on there. After that, just back up that way. I'll be like a few hundred gigs off of that backup. I can move all the images to my external hard drive backup, and also my offset backup, and then have everything backed up that way. And then hang it on the NAS. And then we'll move the 2 terabyte drive out of here and into there for 1 terabyte SSD in there. That is the plan. So, hope you enjoyed this little mini build series. I know it's all over the place. Can't install Ubuntu, and finishing off using the freehand camera. This is not a full replacement. This is not a full replacement for the NAS. Just damn near replacement. So yeah, I'll update you if I upgrade this computer, and that's about it really. Hope you all enjoy. Next time, take it easy.